New Google Antigravity AI agent update is insane. You're wasting hours typing the same prompts over and over. Every single day, you're explaining the same rules to your AI, the same workflows, the same standards, the same instructions, and your AI forgets everything the moment you start a new conversation. But that just changed 3 days ago, and almost nobody is talking about it. Hey everyone, it's Ava, and today we're diving into something that literally dropped this week that's going to completely change how you work with AI coding assistants. Google just added a feature to Antigravity that solves one of the biggest pain points we've all been dealing with, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it so you can stop repeating yourself and actually build something that remembers your preferences. Google launched Antigravity on November 18th, 2025. It's not just another code editor, it's an agent-first development platform. The AI takes your task, breaks it into steps, and executes everything. Write code across multiple files, test in a browser, debug automatically. No babysitting required. It runs on Gemini 3 Pro and scored 76.2% on SWE Bench Verified. That's a test where AI fixes real bugs from actual GitHub repos, within 1% of Claude Sonnet 4.5. The killer feature is Manager View. Deploy 5 different agents on 5 different bugs simultaneously. Each one shows progress through artifacts like screenshots and task lists so you verify it actually works. Completely free during preview. Mac, Windows, Linux. You can switch to Claude or GPT-4 if you want, no catch. Now stay with me because what happened 3 days ago on January 14th is where this gets interesting. Google added support for agent skills, an open standard originally created by Anthropic that works across different AI platforms. It lets you create permanent instruction manuals for your AI agents. Right now, you type the same instructions every conversation. Use this code style. Follow these security rules. Format commits this way. Every single time. Agent skills fixes that. Write instructions once. The AI knows them forever. Across every project, every task, every interaction. When I first started building complex projects with AI tools, I was overwhelmed by trying to keep everything consistent. That's when I found this community called AI Profit Boardroom. 1,800 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Let me break down how agent skills actually works because the technical setup is simpler than you'd think. Every skill is just a folder with a file called skill.md inside it. That file has 2 parts. The first part is something called YAML front matter. Sounds complicated, but it's literally just 2 lines, the name of your skill and a description. The description is critical. This is how the AI decides when to use your skill. You want to be really specific here. Don't just say, helps with code review. Say, enforces company security standards and code quality rules for pull requests, including license headers, error handling, and test coverage. Be explicit. Include trigger words that match when you'd want this skill activated. The second part is the actual instructions. This is where you write out exactly what you want the AI to do. Use imperative language, do this, check that. Format it this way. You can include examples, you can reference other files, you can bundle Python scripts or bash commands if you need deterministic behavior. Skills use something called progressive disclosure. At the start of every conversation, the AI only sees a lightweight menu of your available skills, just the names and descriptions. That's it. The full instructions stay dormant. When you make a request that matches a skill's description, then and only then does the AI load that skill's full instructions into its context. This means you can have dozens of skills installed, but the AI only looks at what's relevant to your current task. No bloat, no confusion, no wasted tokens. Global skills live in a folder on your computer called ~.gemini/antigravity/skills. These are available across every project you work on. Format, JSON. Review code style. Generate UUIDs. Workspace skills live inside your specific project folder in a directory called .agent/skills. These are only available for that one project. Perfect for project-specific stuff like deployment scripts for this particular app, database migration rules for this exact setup, boilerplate generators for your proprietary framework. You can mix and match. Start with workspace skills for a specific project. If you find yourself using the same skill across multiple projects, move it to global. Simple as that. Pattern 1. Enforce standards. Create a skill that enforces your code style, commit message format, security requirements, or documentation standards. The AI will automatically apply these rules every time. Example, a Git commit formatter skill. Developers write lazy commit messages all the time. Whip, fix bug, updates. You want proper conventional commits. Type fix:description. Build out a skill with those rules. Now, every time you commit, the AI formats it correctly. Pattern 2. Automate repetitive tasks. Create REST API endpoints following your team's patterns. Set up test infrastructure. Generate boilerplate code. Example, a skill that scaffolds a new React component with your exact folder structure, import styling setup, and test file all in one go. Just tell the AI create a new button component and it handles the rest. Pattern 3, integrate tools and APIs. Bundle logic for external services or commands into skills. Wrap complex tool interactions in a simple interface. Example, a deployment skill that knows your staging and production environments. It can run your build commands, run tests, deploy to the right environment, and verify everything works. All from a single instruction, deploy this to staging. Pattern 4, domain knowledge, encode specialized expertise as skills. Medical coding standards, financial compliance rules, legal formatting, scientific notation. Everyone gets the same behavior automatically. Because this is an open standard, it works across tools. Claude Code supports it. VS Code is adding support. Build a library that works across your entire toolchain. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 1,800 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. This is the shift we've been waiting for. From ephemeral conversations to persistent knowledge. From AI as a tool to AI as an extension of how you work. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want more practical AI content like this. And drop a comment below. What's the first skill you're going to build? I'm genuinely curious what use cases people come up with. See you in the next one.